How to generate more real estate leads with online reviews. One of the most powerful ways to generate more real estate leads is by leveraging the power of online reviews. In today's digital world, people rely heavily on reviews to make decisions about everything, including which real estate agents they choose to work with. Here's a simple strategy that you can implement to start generating more real estate leads with online reviews. 1. Get a Google My Business page. This is a free tool that helps you manage your online presence across Google. It also is where people can leave reviews about your business. 2. Ask for reviews. Reach out to your past clients and ask them to leave a review on your Google My Business page. Be specific about what you want them to mention in their review, such as the great service they received or how you helped them achieve their real estate goals. Number 3, respond to reviews. Take the time to respond to every review, both positive and negative. This shows potential clients that you care about their experience and are actively engaged in your business. 4, share reviews on social media. Once they start coming in, start sharing those reviews. Share them on your social media profiles. This helps you amplify the positive feedback and reach an even larger audience. 5, automate the process. Use a tool like Get More Reviews to automate the review generation process. This makes it easy for your clients to leave reviews and saves you time. By consistently implementing this strategy, you'll start to build a strong online reputation and generate more real estate leads. People are more likely to choose an agent with positive reviews, so make sure you're leveraging this powerful marketing tool. Join us on rockstaragent.com and we'll give you the specifics on how to make it happen.